Epic Originals presents Cat Ninja, the Silent Master of Cat Fu. Book 2, Le Chat Noir. Written by Matthew Cody. Illustrated by Yehudi Mercado. Performed by Taylor Meskimen and Tom Rivera. Raised from a kitten by a kindly old ninja master, Claude now spends his days as the pampered house cat of an 11-year-old boy. But when trouble calls, he answers as Metro City's secret protector. More than just another silly cat meme, he's Cat Ninja.
On the rooftops of Metro City, justice is in swift pursuit of vermin villainy.
Cat Ninja? Party's over, Larry. We gotta give up.
Time to teach this kung fu kitty that the Raccoon Brothers are more than just dumpster divers.
Jeez, Larry, where the heck did you get that?
It's an upgrade, little brother. Meanwhile, in the apartment below. I'm bored. I said I'm bored.
I heard you, but I'm worried about Mr. Squeaks. I think he's depressed. Poor little guy. I wonder if he misses having Dad around too.
I'd call that hamster a lot of things, but little's not one of them, Marcy. Maybe you should lay off giving him yum-yums.
How dare you food shame my hamster?
He's a hamster. He doesn't care.
What are you two screaming at each other about this time? Have you even packed? Your dad's going to be here any minute.
Sorry, Mom.
Yeah, we'll go get packed right away.
Claude, wake up, buddy. Dad'll be here soon and Mom's all stressed out. Like any of this is our fault? I can't wait to see him, but Dad's taking us to some posh ski resort and we don't even ski. Dude, Cat's got it easy. Sleep all day. Best of all, they don't have to watch their parents get divorced.
When you sit by them.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Huh? Is that Dad? Hey, Leon, Marcy, I got a surprise for you. Oh, wow. He didn't.
He wouldn't dare.
Kids, meet Adonis, your new pet dog. Several hours and a few hundred miles later. Whoa!
I can't believe you got to bring that hairball hacker. How come I had to leave Mr. Squeaks behind?
Because no one takes a hamster on vacation, Marcy. Wow, look at this place. Bet you feel right at home, eh, Adonis? You know, kids, Adonis is a real champion. First in show.
Ah! I've been robbed! My jewels! My grandmama's diamond necklace has been stolen. The dastardly thief left a note. Merci, madame, for the shiny bauble. Yours, the one and only Le Chat.
Le Chat? The international jewel thief? No one will be safe. Well, I thought he was just a legend.
I wonder if he's wickedly handsome.
Later that night, while the guests sleep, Cat Ninja goes in search of a cat burglar. Before long, Cat Ninja spies a female feline form.
Bonjour, bonsoir, ninja. This is an unexpected pleasure. Tell me, What brings Metro City's famous crime fighter to this sleepy little getaway? You want these? Why didn't you say so? Cat got your tongue? Alas, I am fond of my baubles. How about this instead? Ha!
The next day, while our hero nurses his wounded pride, wasn't ice skating great? Sure, there were a few bumps and bruises, but still. How about that early morning nature hike, huh?
Yeah, great. But can we rest, please?
We can rest on the ski lift. I've booked us lessons at 3 o'clock. It's just, we've been going non-stop. Wow! Everyone in the hotel is on the ski lift. Hey, what happened? We stopped moving. I'm sure it's just a glitch. Hey, get this thing going. I've got a 3 o'clock massage. And I have a hot mud facial at 4.
Those poor people. They're stuck up there while their baubles are left down here all alone. Ah! You do not give up, do you, mon swan ninja? Clever. But I must once again say au revoir. This time for good.
You'd think they'd have this thing working by now. I'm sorry, kids. I wanted this trip to be special, and now we're stuck up here with nothing to do. Well, we could talk. Huh?
This vacation, a new dog, we appreciate it, but
We were hoping we could talk about you and Mom, and us, and stuff. Wow. You know, you're right. Both of you. It's hard for me too, you know, figuring all this out. So let's talk. For real. How are you kids holding up?
Whoa! No! My pretty bubbles! You make it very hard for a cat burglar to make an honest living, you know that. But the world is full of pretty things to steal, and I am the best there is.
Je suis en train d'écouter à 4 ninjas. Tu le connais? C'est un 4 ninjas.
A short while later. Claude! 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 You're not going to believe this! Claude, look at this!
He's only 4 months old. And you too, but you can talk and walk.
Adonis found the stolen jewels just lying in the snow. He really is a champion.
Don't be jealous, Claude. Dad said we can go back to the city for ice cream in the park, just like old times. Say, has anyone seen my watch? The end?